Hey, so in this one I'm going to be partnering with California strawberries. And if you've been following along on the channel, you know I've been making a lot of bread. So I've got plenty of leftover, and if you've been making some as well, I'd like to show you what to do with all that leftover sourdough. So you've already seen the title, you know what's going on. So for this, I'm gonna do a vinaigrette, very simple, nothing too heavy, really light. I'm gonna do some smoked black peppercorn, then just about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Then I'm just gonna add half a cup of rice wine vinegar. I'm using rice wine vinegar because it's sweeter, it's lighter, not too harsh. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and whisk that up with some canola oil, about a cup of it, until it becomes this thick consistency right here. Of course, salt it to taste, and there you go. You have a really nice vinaigrette that you can actually hold in the fridge, covered for about a week or so. Okay, now that's set aside. Let's go ahead and get to the main part. Obviously, we're gonna be using the sourdough bread for this panzanella. This is just the stuff I have left over, you know, use your leftovers, people. All I gotta do is slice the bread kind of thick like this. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and grill it off on my grill skillet. Get some good color on that. And there we go, our bread is good to go. Simple. Okay, this is our setup right here. I went ahead and took that bread, diced it up nice and small, bite sizes. Then of course we're doing strawberry in this, so I cut the strawberries up into little thick coins. And then of course avocado is delicious with strawberries, so I went ahead and sliced avocado the same size. I want it to be like equal parts lettuce to everything else, so you get a little bit of everything in this. So I have some really nice like baby green gem lettuce from Chef's Garden, really good stuff. Okay, so here's the breakdown on this salad. Go ahead and toss all the ingredients into the bowl, then add in your vinaigrette, some salt to taste, maybe some more black pepper. Give it a toss, and you want to go ahead and squeeze the bread into the vinaigrette. We want to sort of tear apart the little bread. And once you got that, you're good. Go ahead and throw it onto a plate any way you want. You can make it look pretty if you want, just like this, and then top it off with some queso fresco, just like I did here. This is a delicious, fresh, bright salad, perfect for the springtime. Go ahead and get yourself some strawberries. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like the video, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in the next one. That's delicious. Yeah.